Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're gonna be doing, we're gonna fill the shower with stuffed animals and pillows and what other fluffy stuff we can find, I guess. Well, me and Caden are, but Kai and Eli are not. Well, they're going somewhere. Well, they are gone somewhere. So yeah, so it's just gonna be me and Caden. He should be here in a little while. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so now we got Caden.
Wait, did you do the intro without me?
Yeah, I did it without you. So, but now we'll put all the animals, get them all up by the shower. Yeah. Okay, so we got all the animals in, including this big boy animal. It's Halloween.
You calling me fat?
No.
Ah! I got a plastic piece hit me in the eye.
I'm evil. So it's Halloween tomorrow. So yes, this video will probably come. And probably come in like in another week, but yeah, so we'll put all the animals in and we'll probably get some more blankets for padding wise, I guess. So yeah.
Need air.
Alright, well, yep. Okay, so we filled it all up. Caden's climbing. Is it? Did you hit the ground?
No, but I almost hit the wall.
Oh, well, we got those things.
Ready? You can catch it with the ball?
Nope, that was a horrible shot.
Try to catch it.
Yes.
Hey! Nope.
Alright, well, we filled it somewhat up, and then maybe we'll find some more stuff. Alright, so we filled it up a little bit more. Caden's in there.
How?
Murphy wants to go in. I think we should try to get him in. Alright, I want to sit you down for a second.
Please help.
Ready?
I can't get any oxygen.
Alright, Caden, I'm going to try to get Murphy in there.
Okay.
Oh, he's coming! He wants it! Yes! Tomago boy.
Whoa.
Alright, I'm going to shut it. Look at him. He made it! You made it, buddy! You're locked in there. He's like, oh, let me out.
I need oxygen.
How you doing, Bill?
I need Oh my gosh, Murphy, you're fat.
I know, he's a chungus. Come on,
Okay,
Murphy.
You're so fat.
Come on. He's like, but it's so comfy.
Hey, no chewing on that.
It's like, come on,
Bro,
get out.
You piled it all on my head.
Oh my word. This guy looks so cute if he puts his head up against a window. Alright, I'm coming in. Murphy's still in here.
Murphy's still in?
Yes.
He's so fat.
Shut it. I'm fat too. Get under the covers. I'm so
hot right now. Everybody's on me. Murphy and you.
Ow! Murphy! What you doing? What, you want out? Let me down.
Don't shove your head in there. Oh, that's my butt.
Going under. No, I'm not.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not. There goes the GoPro. Got me. He likes it in
You
here.
have my pillows.
Yeah, we got your pillows.
Why do you have my pillows?
Because they're stuffed. Alright, I'm getting buried, boys. Going down.
I'll bury you. I'll help.
Okay. nice and...
You're saying you're gonna get hot.
I probably will.
Okay, head cover.
It's probably dark in here. Still see me? See me, guys?
I doubt they can, Nick.
I don't know. It's pretty dark in here, except for that.
Murphy, you want it?
I'm pretty deep. Murphy jumped at me. Ow! Is that? I get trampled. Here, get out of here. What in the world? I get trampled on. Ow! I'm getting trampled on. There's so many people. Ow! Ow! I don't think you guys can see me. Hi, Murphy. I'm up against a corner.
He found the bear.
Where's Wait, you did?
He found the bear.
Murphy, get off it. Give me the bear. Give me
The bear, Murphy.
Give me. Oh no, he's gonna come. He's gonna come ham. He's coming. Gonna take a bear. Taking the bear.
No, you see the bear clearly.
I know, I'm trying to get it. Ah, the sloth. Oh, that's kind of nice.
Yeah, that was?
It's all nice and dark in here now. We got the bear.
What, Murph?
Well, at the moment, Murphy is on top of me.
And so does Caden.
So is Caden. Murphy? This is Murphy.
No, he found the bear. Like,
He found his girlfriend. What was that?
I hit my head.
Oh, it's hot. It's very much so hot.
Oh no, you're staying down there.
No.
Okay. Hey guys, for now I'm gonna be taking over the YouTube channel. There you go. You want it, Murph? What would you like to say to the viewers? Oh yeah, he said subscribe to my channel at Caden Swinson.
Okay. Everything's on top of me. Okay. Wait, you see the mirror? Is Caden out there?
Yeah, I am. You're pointing it at me.
Oh, alright. Well, if there's the mirror, then that's what it looks like. Because everything got squished down.
I'll move. Now do it.
Alright. Is it? You guys see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Alright. That's the mirror? Maybe? I don't know. This is... We got light. I'm gonna get the light. Okay. No, Murphy.
Okay, time for you to be unburied.
Okay. I'm happy. Oh, that one hurt. Murphy's on top of me now. He's really on me. Get off. Oh, get off, Murphy. Get off. Get off, Murph. Get off. Wait. Take him all off. Come on. Get up, Murph. Oh, I'm hot. It's been like the longest 5 minutes ever. Whew. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more of this, leave a like and subscribe. If you guys want to see Caden's channel, it'll be in the description. So see you guys on the next one. Peace. No, we gotta do your ball thing where you chucked it at the glass.
Oh, okay.